Getting over a difficult situation isn't always easy. Our brains tend to lock in memories when an event causes strong emotions. And negative emotions are very strong, and memories of them can come back to us quickly when things are going badly. So much of what we recall about our past is what didn't go well. Think of a failure from childhood or even high school. Remember that you were completely embarrassed in front of your gym class, or the time you forgot your poem in the middle of reciting it? That really stuck with you, didn't it? That's because you were really uncomfortable. Your brain chemicals were ready to lock that memory into place, probably to prevent you from doing the same thing again. But you've had a lot of successes too. They just aren't as memorable. Unless they were extraordinary, they didn't come with a heightened emotional state, so they weren't etched into your memory. So what's the big deal? The problem is focusing on your failures negatively affects your self-esteem, and that prevents you from taking the risks you need to be successful, especially in your work life. You have to train your mind to recall the simple successes you've been having your whole life. When you consciously recognize your successes, it helps plant the positive in your mind. And you can do it by writing a victory log. Every day, write down one or more successes and log it into your long-term memory. You can also look back on your life and list all the successes that you can recall. When you're having a tough day, you can reread your success list for a genuine boost of confidence.